procession of the Magi culminating here in the apse of the chapel, where the choirs of angels are already singing the praises of the newborn king that you see here in the altarpiece behind me. The original altarpiece is presently in Berlin. This is a copy, but it recreates the original look of the chapel, suggesting technically that these Medici were using their wealth also in a type of pious patronage to celebrate God in Christianity, as well, of course, as celebrating themselves.